been more than 7 months since Hurricane Ian made landfall in Florida. But if you drive around parts of Southwest Florida neighborhoods, especially near the coast, you'll see homes still sitting under tarps and even entire roofs that are still missing. And tonight we're spotlighting how some insurance companies are leaving homeowners stuck with the big repair bills. In-depth reporter Stassi Olmos is here tonight with the local couple who says their insurance company is still refusing to pay, and now they're being forced to take legal action.
This is a shell of our beautiful home last year after the hurricane.
A shell of wooden studs is what's left of Sherry and Jim McBride's dream retirement home in Port Charlotte, Florida.
We are in our 70s. He's a Vietnam veteran, and we're hurting right now.
Hurricane Ian separated the back wall from their home, ripped up the roof, and drenched everything inside.
Blew in with such a powerful suction that everything got wet. Anything that was in here was damaged. They had to totally gut it.
7 months later, the couple tells me they've only received enough money from their insurance company, American Integrity, to replace the roof and a temporary back wall. Even after hiring a public adjuster for help with their claim, they say they're still pleading with their insurance to help make their home livable.
They wanted to pay us pennies on the dollar. We're not rich. We could never rebuild our house like it was before.
I went through the McBride's documents and found the insurance adjuster estimated about $40,000 in damages. With their $5,500 deductible, they received a check for $35,000 in November.
It's going to be $220,000 that we need, and that's what the contractor said. And the cost of everything has been going up.
The McBrides have also been paying rent to live elsewhere for the last 7 months. I found their policy covers loss of use up to $27,000, but the company marked the loss value at $0. In contrast, the couple's public adjuster's estimate shows replacement cost at $224,000 with at least $36,000 for loss of use.
I can't stand being in here any longer.
The McBrides are now pursuing legal action.
What are we going to do? You know, we're going to have to take our claim to court because they leave us no choice.
The Insurance Information Institute estimates that carriers will pay $10 to $20 billion in Hurricane Ian related litigation, in turn contributing to more financial burden and higher premiums for homeowners across the state.
You can't settle it for literally 20 cents on the dollar.
The couple's public adjuster tells me his company currently has a couple hundred Ian victims with less than 10% of those claims closed.
The path that we have to take is completely contingent upon the decisions they make. If they were willing to come to the table and be reasonable, we could settle these.
I reached out to American Integrity asking about the McBride's claim, and a spokesperson told us they can't comment on a claim with attorney and/or public adjuster representation.
I want my home back. I want to get up and make coffee in my own coffee pot and bring groceries back here and cook it. Things I always enjoyed doing is all taken away from me, and how much longer?
According to the state's data, the McBride's claim is one of more than 100,000 Ian claims still open as of March. In Port Charlotte, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos, ABC Action News.
Stassi, thank you. We did reach out to the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation to ask about these concerns, and they do tell us they are aware of, quote, accusations claiming insurance companies are not fulfilling their obligations to pay out claims. To read their entire full statement, visit our website, abcactionnews.com.